Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited for this one. Today, we're exploring a truly special home right on the water in Nottingham. It's on the market for £2 million, and it's a real modern masterpiece. We're just a short walk from a busy avenue in West Bridgford, only a mile from the heart of the city. You might have walked or jogged past this place on the river path. The outside is so striking and unique. We'll start out front by the dock because that's the star of the show, and then I'll show you how the whole house connects to the water in beautiful ways. First, you come in through this private road that actually belongs to the property. Right away, you see this huge garage. It's big enough for 4 cars easily. There's a normal-sized door hidden in there too, so you can pop in and out without opening the whole big garage door. Just to be clear, we're not the estate agents for this place. We're just here to give you a full, honest tour. All the contact details, if you're seriously interested, will be in the description below. If you like seeing places like this, please hit subscribe. Now, let's walk up to the front door. The entrance is grand. The door is massive, made of beautiful hardwood, and it goes all the way from the floor to the ceiling. And guess what? That's the style for every single door in this house. If you're tall, you're going to love it. No ducking needed here. You step into the entrance hall, and straight ahead is a beautiful glass door that takes you up to the main living floor. But before we go up there, we have to check out this garage. Oh, and right here, there's a handy little cloakroom to toss your coat and shoes. Okay, let's step into the garage. The lights turn on automatically when you walk in, which is a nice touch. Look at the size of this space. It's huge and clean. Over here through this door is where all the practical stuff is kept. This is the plant room where the boiler and all the systems are. The house has solar panels on the roof and special panels that heat the water, so it's designed to be quite energy efficient. For a house this big, the running costs are pretty reasonable. And look at all this storage. It goes all the way around this back wall. This place is so well thought out and tidy. One of the best things about this home is all the outdoor space. Every single bedroom has its own little terrace or balcony. This terrace right here, off this lower level, is sunken down so it feels really private. It would be perfect for a hot tub. They've got power and a water tap out here too. It's a really cool, chill spot. Come up these steps for a second. Look at this view. And there it is, your own private dock. Here's something really interesting. When you buy this house, the ownership rights actually extend into the river itself. So you could have 2 boats moored here. Just think about that for a second. If this was your home, what would you have? A fancy speedboat, some jet skis. It's not just a house by the water. It's a house on the water with its own launch point for adventure. Okay, let's head back inside through this door. This door actually leads to a terrace for one of the bedrooms upstairs. We'll see that soon. Stepping inside, the feeling is just so light and bright. It's not dark or closed in at all. My personal dream is to one day build a modern home on the water, and this place is pretty close to that perfect idea. You'll notice some really beautiful light fixtures as we walk through. Now, let's go into the main living space. This is where the wow factor really hits you. We pass this awesome, tall indoor plant and walk into the heart of the home, the ceiling. It goes up 3 floors high. It is absolutely breathtaking. There are no doors blocking anything off here, so the living room, the music area, the kitchen, and the dining space all flow into one another. This is the main living zone. Look up at those long hanging lights. They're Italian, really beautiful. There are high-quality speakers built right into the ceiling. The feeling of space is unbelievable. These giant windows are really clever. They open all the way up, and they have a special hidden system so they don't get foggy or wet on the inside. Now, step out onto this terrace. This is probably the best one. You can see right down the river in both directions. I love how much outdoor living space there is to match the huge indoor space. We used to walk past this house all the time and wonder who lived here. It's so sleek and private. Back inside, the floor is warm from underfloor heating. It runs through the whole house. There's also air conditioning in the kitchen and main bedrooms for the summer. Let's go check out the music room. The owner is really into music, and you can see all her memorabilia on the walls. And of course, there's a lovely piano. We have to hear a little something. Brief piano tune plays. Go on. Rate my piano skills in the comments. Be honest. Now, see this cool leather wall. That's not just for show. It leads us to the private bedroom wing. Should we go see the bedrooms now and save the kitchen for a big reveal later? Trust me, you'll want to see this. The bedrooms are like their own quiet escape. This is the hallway for the bedrooms. We'll start on this floor. There's one bedroom down here, plus a separate guest bathroom. There's a cute little corner here with a chair, a perfect reading nook. Let's go into the bedroom. Again, look at the height of that door. All the doors are solid and secure. All the beds in the house are king size, and the main bedroom is a super king. This is the terrace we saw from outside earlier. These glass doors have different ways they can open. They're really fancy. It's been rainy, but picture a sunny morning out here with a coffee. Every bedroom has some outdoor space. From here you can actually watch people rowing on the river. Now let's look at the ensuite bathroom. I'll step in. There's the toilet and a big walk-in shower. The inside of the door is a full mirror. The wardrobe is a custom Italian design with lots of hanging space and drawers. Everything has its place. The guest bathroom has a nice deep tub and soft ambient lighting. The heated floor feels amazing. Let's go upstairs. The stairs have this cool leather detail on the wall, and there are LED lights you can set to different colors. Now we're on a carpeted floor. This level has another bedroom and a dressing room, basically a mirror image of the one below. Same kind of ensuite bathroom, same great wardrobe space. This bedroom has a balcony with a direct view over the water. Have you ever seen this house from the walking path? Let me know in the comments if you recognize it. Through here is a whole room just for getting dressed. Windows look out to the bridge, and there are built-in wardrobes on both sides. The owner showed us this genius way she stores trousers. It's so neat and tidy. Heading up one more floor, we pass under a huge skylight that fills the staircase with sun. This is the main bedroom suite. A super king bed with plenty of room to walk around. The style is clean and minimal, which I love. There's a TV on the wall. A soft LED light runs along the wall and into the bathroom. The view is peaceful, the river on one side and a green park on the other. For safety, there's CCTV all around the outside. The main bathroom is stunning. 2 huge sinks, a walk-in shower that feels like a wet room, and a freestanding bathtub. The LED lighting continues in here, creating a really calm mood. It's a beautiful, serene space. Alright, let's head all the way back down now, because the kitchen and dining area are something you have to see. This is where the home really comes to life for entertaining. We're back in the big living room. Remember the music room up those few steps. The house uses different floor levels to define spaces, not lots of doors, which makes it feel so open. Follow me to the kitchen. Here we are. The centerpiece is this huge island with white marble countertops. Over here are the appliances, and they are top of the line. The brand is Gaggenau. This one is a steam oven, and it has a probe you can put in your food to cook it to the exact temperature. Below it is a regular oven, and then a drawer just for keeping plates warm. There's a Gaggenau microwave too, and these big drawers, they're actually fridge drawers. So cool. On this side, you have both an induction cooktop and a gas burner, so you can choose. There's a tap that gives you instantly boiling water. The extractor fan lowers down from the ceiling when you need it. The dishwashers are hidden away. There's a shiny chrome sink in the island and another sink over here. Across the way, a TV pops up from the counter so you can watch from the dining table. This glass, fronted wine storage lights up and looks incredible at night. There's a little breakfast bar with 2 stools here. The tall unit is the freezer, and it has an ice maker inside. This walk-in pantry is a dream so organized. See how the back of each shelf is lifted up. That's so you can see every single thing at the back. So smart. There's even a little hidden medicine cabinet here. These doors lead out to a breakfast terrace. The owner said she loves having her morning coffee out here. Those panels on the wall are for heating the water. The house has even been in a few home and design magazines. This door goes into the utility room. It's so sleek and tidy. And here, watch this. There's a secret door. You just push it. Behind it is more amazing storage space that wraps around, perfect for vacuum cleaners and brooms. I joked it would be a great little house for a dog. A few steps lead you up to the formal dining area. Up here, there are more of those high-end speakers in the ceiling. The best thing about eating here, you have the full river view, and you can also look down into the living room. It's hard for the camera to show just how huge and airy this feels. That nice leather detail is on the walls here too. Let's go up one last time to the study. The walls here are covered in more music memorabilia. See how many famous faces you can spot. This is the home office. If you sat at this desk, this is your view of the river. Here, framed on the shelf, are the magazines that featured this house. The very top floor has one more space, which would make a great gym or another bedroom. It has its own private terrace with the highest view of all. The blinds are built right into the windows. From here, you can see the bridge and also look right back down into the living room through an inner window. That's the full tour of the house itself. Now, let's go back outside and get a proper look at that dock from the water's edge. Here we are, standing on the private dock. Imagine pulling your boat right up to your house. Oh, look, ducklings. Sorry if the wind messes with the sound a bit. Look back at the house from here. What an angle. You legally own half of the river here, so 2 boats are definitely an option. The views up and down the water are completely open. Those little ducklings are having a hard time swimming against the current. Wait, here comes the mother duck. Okay, turning into a nature show for a second. They're all back together. It's so peaceful. Let's head back in out of the breeze. We're finishing up in the kitchen. I want to take a quick moment to talk to you. We really do read your comments, and we're so thankful you join us to explore these places. Our style is just us. We're not actors or professional TV hosts. We're just curious, and we try to keep it real and natural. We learned that you guys like it best when it's just us being ourselves, not trying to put on a show. We were a bit shy about that at first, but being genuine is what makes this channel work. We're hoping to change how people see UK property through video. If you are an estate agent or if you own a really unique home, it doesn't have to be for sale or cost millions, just something interesting and cool, please get in touch. We'd love to visit. We're also thinking about trying videos where we react to other house tours. What do you think about that idea? Tell me below. Oh, and a quick answer to a question we get a lot. When we said we filled the wardrobes in our own apartment tour, we meant with stuff like spare duvets and a few jackets. We actually don't own that many clothes. We travel light. We notice the regular commenters. We see your names. And it honestly feels like catching up with friends. For everyone asking about the crazy London property prices, homes at this level are often bought as second homes by people from other countries. It's a whole different market. We're going to try and do these little chat sections more often. So please leave your questions for us below for the next video. And again, if you have a special home, let us know. I love touring this house so much, especially because I've walked past it for years wondering what was inside. It's one of my favorite UK homes, quirky, modern, and connected to the water. If you're interested, all the details for the estate agent are in the description box. I truly hope you enjoyed coming along on this tour. Thank you so much for your time. If you did enjoy it, it would mean the world if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Winds of Thought. Your support makes all of this possible. See you on the next adventure.